What happens when you forget one keyword and your supposedly fixed value gets changed halfway through your program? In Java, declaring constants correctly prevents this exact nightmare scenario. The foundation of Java constants is the final keyword. When you declare a variable as final, you're telling the compiler that this value cannot be changed after initialization. It's your contract that this variable will remain constant throughout the program's lifetime. This is crucial for defining values like configuration settings, mathematical constants, or any fixed business rules. The syntax is straightforward. You place final before the data type, then provide your variable name and initial value. For example, final int max value equals 100. The final keyword must come first, followed by the type, then your identifier and assignment. This pattern works with any data type, whether primitive or object reference. Here's why final matters. If you try to reassign a final variable, the compiler throws an error immediately. This compile time protection prevents accidental modifications that could cause subtle runtime bugs. Without final, someone could inadvertently change your constant, breaking assumptions throughout your codebase. Java developers follow a strict naming convention for constants. Use all uppercase letters with underscores separating words. So instead of max value, write max_value e. This visual distinction makes constants instantly recognizable in code, improving readability and maintainability. In practice, most constants are class level, shared across all instances. Combine static with final to create a single constant accessible without creating an object. This is the standard pattern you'll see in professional Java code. Remember these key points: always use final for constants, place it before the type, follow uppercase naming conventions, and combine with static for class-level constants. Master this pattern, and you'll write cleaner, safer Java code. Declare constants with final to ensure immutability, use uppercase naming for clarity, and add static for class-level access. Practice this in your next Java project, and watch your code quality improve. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.